Welcome back to English for Future. Today we are going to learn some English vocabulary related to makeup. And we have a special guest right here. She will be doing a makeup tutorial from this to this. So now let's get started. First, she'll start with a moisturizer. This step is very important because it keeps the skin surface soft and smooth so that the skin won't be cakey when you apply the foundation. Now it's time for primer. The primer would help to fill in the pores and smoothen the skin before she applies any makeup products into her skin. Now let's move on to foundation. She's going to use one palm of it. And then using the sponge to blend it out and make sure that there's no streaks on her face. Let's move on to concealer. The orange color is to conceal the dark circles. And the green one is to hide any redness on her face. Then use this little sponge to blend it in really well. Now she's gonna take her favorite translucent setting powder. This step helps us set the foundation in place and reduce the sticky feeling after she applies the foundation and primer. Everybody make a wish! Now she's just gonna make a nice thin layer of setting powder. And then she's gonna set the rest of her face. Now it's time to contour the nose. She's gonna take this little brush and do both sides of her nose. When she's done with that, she's gonna go with the white color and do the line down the center of her nose and right in the center of her chin. Now it's time to do the contour. Let's do a little bit of that, and then she just kind of go right under her cheekbone and also around the jawline. And then she'll just do the other side of her face. Now it's time to highlight her cheekbone to get a full effect. For the next step, she's gonna use this eyebrow pencil to get a perfect shape of her eyebrows. First, she's filling it in and then brush it out a little bit. And then she just kind of extended it out. And she'll do the same with the other eyebrow. It's time to do the eyeshadow. First, she'll get a little bit of that. And then apply it all over of her eyelid. Next, she's going to use this lime brown and put it in her crease. And of course, she would love to shadow her under eyes to get a full effect. Now she's going in with this light pink color. Put it right in the center of her lid, just like that. Now it's time for eyeliner. She's making a line right above her lashes. Be careful with this step because you don't want to make a mess on your makeup. Next, She's taking another eye palette and going in with a brown sugar color to make a shimmery eye effect. Next step is curling her eyelashes. When she's done with that, let's move on to mascara. Now it's time for the blush. She is going in with a mixture of these three colors. Then applying it on her cheek. Now it's time to put lipstick on. She's using this little brush to line her lip. And then she's filling it in. The very last step is using the setting spray to set the makeup in place. And here is the final look. Please let me know in the comment section, how do you like this look so far? If you enjoyed this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we'll be back with more videos. Bye!